Welcome back. Today's topic is how to think in English.
This is one of the most important skills for speaking English fluently,
Many learners translate from their native language.
and that makes speaking slow and stressful.
Why thinking in English is important. When you think in English, speaking becomes natural.
You don't stop to translate every sentence.
Your confidence and fluency improve at the same time.
Start with very simple thoughts.
For example, I'm hungry, I'm tired, I need coffee.
Simple sentences train your brain.
Step 2. Narrate your day. Talk about what you're doing.
I'm brushing my teeth. I'm going to work. I'm answering emails.
This is powerful daily practice.
Don't translate word by word.
If you don't know a word, use another word.
That's how native speakers think too.
Step 4. Learn phrases, not words. Thinking in phrases is easier than thinking in grammar rules.
For example, that sounds good. I'm not sure. Let me think. Talking to yourself is not strange.
It's smart practice.
Ask yourself questions and answer them.
Step 6. Use visual thinking. When you see something, think in English.
See a chair? Think, this chair is comfortable.
Images help your brain remember words.
Here's a simple daily routine.
1 minute, name objects around you. 2 minutes, describe actions. 2 minutes, talk about your plan.
Just 5 minutes a day is enough.
One mistake is trying to think perfectly.
Another mistake is stopping when you don't know a word.
Keep going. Use simple English.
Motivation message.
Thinking in English is a habit. Habits are built with repetition.
Start small. Stay consistent.
Your English brain will grow stronger every day.
Don't wait until you're fluent.
Start thinking in English today.
Fluency begins in the mind.
Another great technique is answering questions in your head.
Yes, ask yourself simple questions.
Like, what am I doing now? What will I do later?
Then answer in English.
Many people think in their native language automatically.
Try replacing that inner voice with English.
At first, it feels slow.
But over time, English becomes natural.
Create short conversations in your head.
For example, imagine ordering coffee.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Role-playing builds confidence. Use English during routine tasks.
Walking, cleaning, cooking, or driving.
These moments are perfect practice time.
Let's talk about a real learner.
Okay.
They started thinking in English for 5 minutes a day
After 2 weeks, speaking felt easier.
because their brain stopped translating.
Problem: I don't know enough words.
Solution: use simple words you know.
Problem: I forget English words.
Solution: describe the idea in another way. Thinking in English is not about speed.
It's about consistency.
Slow thinking is still progress.
Day 1 to 2, think simple sentences. Day 3 to 4, describe actions. Day 5 to 6, inner conversations. Day 7, full day English thinking.
Challenge yourself.
Your brain learns what you train it to do.
Train it to think in English.
Even a few minutes a day works.
Fluency starts in your thoughts. Let's add emotion to your thinking in English.
Yes, use feeling words.
I'm excited. I'm nervous. I'm proud.
Emotions help memory. Before speaking, pause and think in English.
Don't think in your native language first.
Even a short pause helps your brain switch.
Look at people or places around you.
Describe them in your mind.
The room is quiet. The person looks friendly.
Your environment affects your thinking.
Change your phone and apps to English.
Read signs, menus, and labels in English.
Instead of translating, ask questions.
What does this mean? How can I say this simply?
Questions keep English active in your mind.
Close your eyes for 30 seconds.
Think about your next activity in English.
Simple, clear thoughts.
Some people worry they think wrong in English.
But thinking has no mistakes.
Only speaking and writing have corrections.
You know you're improving when you stop translating, you react faster, English feels lighter,
Thinking in English is a lifestyle.
not a classroom activity.
Use English everywhere.
At home, at work, in your mind.
Your thoughts shape your language.
Your language shapes your future,
Start thinking in English today.
and fluency will follow.